Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add multiple stocks to your TradingView watchlist at once. This is a great way to save time and quickly organize the markets we want to track. Let's get started. On your TradingView Superchart dashboard, if we want to view multiple stocks at once, all we have to do is click the Layout Setup button. From here, we just need to choose a layout. We can view 3 layouts or 4 layouts, like this. We can use this feature, but keep in mind that we need a premium plan to access it. We can purchase a plan directly here on TradingView. This is one of the features TradingView offers, so we can monitor multiple stocks at the same time. All we have to do is choose the layout we want and select it. Now we can view multiple stocks side by side in TradingView. And that's how we add multiple stocks to our TradingView watchlist at once.